As you all know, pollinator populations have been in decline over the last 10 years. As part of Washington County's efforts when it comes to pollinator protection efforts, we've been looking at evaluating our roadside maintenance practices. In many areas, the only habitat that pollinators have are right next to our roadsides. So as part of this project, we're trying to look at what types of native seeds or flowers establish best in a grass-dominated roadside. We're doing that with 4 different site methods that are cheap. So we're looking at a low mow, herbicide, use of an organic herbicide, and just broadcasting the seed out on site.
We used the APRA grant to purchase about $5,000 worth of seed for the project. That $5,000 covered 22 pounds of seed, which we are using to seed 10 acres and about 6 to 8 miles of roadsides. We wanted flowers that were going to establish pretty easily. We wanted flower seed that was readily available from native plant retailers. And we wanted the mix to cost under $500 per acre.
We have our maintenance, our safety cuts, salt use in the winter. How will these plants survive those conditions? Are we going to see an increase in noxious weeds, or are we going to see a decrease because we're increasing species diversity out on site?
The next step will be to put the seed down in the 4 different treatment areas, and then over the course of the summer keep the vegetation relatively low through mowing. And then in August we're going to reevaluate the same plots that we looked at to see how species are establishing, and we'll do that over the course of the next 2 growing seasons.
Many of these native seeds take years to establish, so you might not see them at first in the first 2 years, but then all of a sudden in the 3rd year they'll start to bloom.